Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Mr. Zaman and here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Novel drug combination shows positive results for HPV-negative patients with advanced head and neck cancer. A new combination drug treatment showed promising results in patients with pan-refractory, recurrent or metastatic head and neck cancer, according to a study published recently in the Journal of Clinical Oncology. Head and neck cancer is a deadly form of cancer that arises in the lining of the mouth and throat. Worldwide, more than 7 lakh people were diagnosed with head and neck cancer in 2021. The disease is caused by the human papilloma virus or HPV or environmental carcinogens including the regular use of tobacco or alcohol. When the cancer comes back after curative treatment, patients have an overall survival of less than 2 years. Your heart's shape matters, shows study. Investigators from the Smith Heart Institute at Cedar Sinai have discovered that patients who have round hearts shaped like baseballs are more likely to develop future heart failure and atrial fibrillation than patients who have longer hearts shaped like the traditional Valentine heart. Their findings use deep learning and advanced imaging analysis to study the genetics of heart structure. Their results were telling. We found that individuals with spherical hearts were 31% more likely to develop atrial fibrillation and 24% more likely to develop cardiomyopathy, a type of heart muscle disease, said David Oyang, who is an MD, a cardiologist in the Smith Heart Institute and a researcher in the Division of Artificial Intelligence in Medicine. Study finds COVID-19 during pregnancy may increase obesity risk in children. Children born to mothers who had COVID-19 during pregnancy may be more likely to develop obesity, according to a new study published in the Endocrine Society's Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism. More than 100 million COVID-19 cases have been reported in the US since 2019, and there is limited information on the long-term health effects of the infection. Pregnant women make up 9% of reproductive aged women with COVID-19, and millions of babies will be exposed to maternal infection during fetal development over the next 5 years. 2 subtypes of insulin-producing cells discovered. A team led by Von Andel Institute and Max Planck Institute of Immunobiology and Epigenetic Scientists has identified 2 distinct subtypes of insulin-producing beta cells, each with crucial characteristics that may be leveraged to better understand and treat type 1 and type 2 diabetes. In type 1 diabetes, beta cells are attacked by the body's own immune system, rendering them unable to produce insulin. Type 2 diabetes arises from insulin resistance. The resulting excess blood sugar from a person's diet causes beta cells in the pancreas to work overtime. Eventually, beta cells can no longer keep up and blood sugar concentrations can rise to dangerously high levels. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.